So if you want to connect your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store, well, there is a way for you to do this, but there are a few things that you need to set up here. Now, first things first is you want to set up. So I'm assuming you already have your Facebook pixel set up in here. You have your professional account set up for Facebook. So how do you connect that? Well, you need to use an app. So at the bottom left here, you want to go to settings. And you want to go ahead and click on the apps and sales channels at the left side here. Click on Shopify App Store at the top right. And in here, let's go and just go to search apps, guides, and more. And let's go ahead and just type in the following. It's going to be Facebook. And let's go and just press enter. Now you should see different options here, but we have Facebook and Instagram here, which is by Meta. So let's go and just choose click on install. Wait for a while. Now the great thing about this app here, it's actually free, so you don't have to do anything or you don't have to pay for anything. But yeah, let's go and click on install. And once you have this installed, you should be able to start editing your pixel or adding your pixel here. But yeah, so you just need to follow the on-screen steps here. Let's go and click on connect account. That's the first thing you should see here. It's going to ask you to enter your email and password. So go and just log in into your account first. Now in here, you just need to click on continue as, and that should basically add your Facebook account into your Shopify page. Now let's go and click on get started here. And from here, you just need to start adding your business portfolio. Now, from here, go ahead and choose the business portfolio that you want to use. So, for example, you have this one. Let's go and click connect the very first one. And from here, it's going to ask you what is your preference here for sharing data. So you have conservative, enhanced, or maximum here. So go and choose the appropriate one for you. So depending on what your preference here, let's go and click on save. Let's go and choose the enhance here. And you can go and just choose your data set. Now, if you want to create your own metapixel here, you can go and just create your own if you want. But let's go and just maybe choose one of my existing ones. Let's go and click on the Renzi DS. Now, obviously, you can go and just create your own if you want. Now, you can go and just click on create new, but we are good. Like what I said, go ahead and click on I agree. Click on submit for review, and they will start reviewing your connection here. It might take a while or several minutes for it to complete, but once it's actually completed, you should be pretty much good to go. But once it's actually done checking, this is what it's going to look like, and you can just basically do whatever you want here, publish products, create ads, or whatever. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.